Only 1,000 of these were made in 2023. We have a Dodge Superbee. Half of these were made in B5 blue, the other half were made in plum crazy purple. It's a lot different than most setups, but it is technically a scat pack. It does have drag radials on the car from the factory. They are pretty sweet. For this setup, we deleted the rears, added these Corsa tips. These Corsa tips did come from a Corsa system. The customer didn't like them. No problem. We swapped them out and passed them on to these guys. For the rear section, we did add our exclusive Gexhaust mufflers. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Guys, the car does still have its factory valves on the system. We gave it a 3-inch midsection with our new Gexhaust mufflers. These aren't available online just yet, but if you stop by our Davie and Oakland Park location, we will have them available for you guys. The car still does have its stock X-pipe and its cats, but you can always upgrade later on in the future with a Borla exhaust system from the cat back. That's also available at gexhaust.com, or if you want to stop in and talk with us, you can at the Davie and Oakland Park location. As you can see, guys, sounds great. If you have any questions, send us a DM.